Look carefully at this roof, covered with EPDM rubber roofing. Notice the smooth surface, unbroken by mechanical attachments such as buttons or bars. There's not a single penetration here, decreasing the possibility for leaks to occur. This system was installed in 1/3 of the time that it takes to install a fully adhered system. This system is not dependent on hazardous glues and lengthy drying times. The problem for the last 20 years of EPDM's popularity is that there has never been a mechanically attached system available that could hold EPDM without penetration that's FMI90 approved. International Diamond Systems Incorporated developed the system you see here. The first and only truly non-penetrating system FMI90 approved for EPDM rubber roofing. Diamond 105 system is the only system in the industry today that delivers high quality, durability, low overhead, and on-time completion schedules every time. This 10,000 square foot roof was covered with EPDM rubber roofing by 4 men in 8 hours, as opposed to 2,000 square feet in 8 hours totally adhered. The 105 Diamond system was developed from field experience by President Bob Whitman. Bob took a field approach to the industry's problems of application and durability. He did extensive testing on his own, applying roofs for tests knowing that a system developed in the field had the best chance for success in the field. The results had produced International's patented diamond configuration. The diamond pattern puts stress points in any given direction only 2 feet 8 inches from plate to plate. An unprecedented strength in the rubber roofing industry. With durability and strength achieved with the diamond pattern, the problem of application remained, and an additional 4 years of field work at International produced the Diamond 105 system. The secret of Diamond 105 system's stubborn staying power and astounding ease of installation lays in the system's special adhesive pre-applied on rubber plates below the EPDM rubber. The unique adhesive migrates and welds into the EPDM rubber membrane with simple pressure. The installation team simply lays the rubber over the Diamond 105 system plates and rolls the rubber onto the plates. That's it. Diamond 105 system marries the strength of a mechanically attached system to the durability of a smooth, totally adhered system and sacrifices nothing. The actual installation is as easy as it sounds. First, the roof is swept clean and the pre-existing roof here is a 5-year built-up roofing system. A polystyrene insulation board is then laid down. International's diamond system can be applied to concrete, metal, wood, or any appropriate deck. The Diamond 105 system was tested and achieved FM's highest rating, I90, on the most commonly used insulation. Diamond 105 system will work with polystyrene because you do not apply the glues or adhesives that often break down the foam in totally adhered systems. Installation clips are placed 1 foot from corners for a true FMI90 rating. Using ordinary hand drills, the insulation discs are screwed in, securing the insulation board to the deck. There are no special tools required in the Diamond 105 system. Simple hand tools are all that is needed. Now, the Diamond 105 system's plates are placed on the insulation board. The Diamond 105 system plates are positioned in the board. The Diamond 105 plates are positioned in the corners, center, and middle of each insulation board in International's diamond pattern. You'll notice the plates are simply laid in place. With International's diamond pattern, there's no need to chalk lines, a significant time saver. The roofer can place the plates in the diamond pattern without measuring. Only 14 plates are needed for 100 square feet of roofing for an I60 rating, and 6 additional plates needed for an I90. The fasteners are then placed in the center of each Diamond 105 system plate. Again, using an ordinary hand drill, the 105 plates are secured with the commercial roofing screws. International's diamond pattern automatically places the Diamond 105 system plates 2 feet 8 inches apart. This is under 3 feet and is the reason that Factory Mutual will field rate this system. The Diamond 105 system was not only laboratory tested, but also field tested in actual use. Under testing, the Diamond 105 system withstood up to 105 pounds of negative pressure per square foot. The EPDM rubber is then rolled out to its full size, making sure the seams overlap at least 3 to 4 inches. Membrane is shaken to remove wrinkles and allowed to relax for 30 minutes to further remove wrinkles in the system. The main sheet is lapped over the parapet walls. After the rubber has relaxed, the membrane is pulled halfway back and washed with International Activator in places where the rubber will meet the Diamond 105 system plates. The rubber is streaked with Activator and aligned with the plates. There are no harsh chemicals or gasoline vapors to breathe with the Diamond 105 system. The paper is removed from the 105 plates in a row, and the rubber is floated over the plates. Paper is removed from the plates on the next row and the next all the way across the surface. The pre-controlled adhesive on the tape is pressure sensitive. The adhesive will weld into the membranes with pressure. After the surface is covered, the edges are sealed to form one continuous sheet of membrane. The seam is cleaned on both sides with International Splice Cleaner to remove all dirt, so the double-sided elastomeric tape will adhere as it is applied to the edge of the two membranes. Seal the tape to the other side. Roll the pressure-sensitive tape to seal it to the first side. Peel the paper off the other side to complete the same. There is only one step to form a positive leak-proof seal every time. The walls are sealed with tape in the same way as the seams. Detailed work is done quickly and smoothly with the elastomeric tape. Air conditioning, curbs, skylights, pipes, and other outlets are firmly sealed without the need for flashing and glue, which require caulking. However, flashing and glue are available. When fitting a pipe, the pipe is cleaned and a hole is cut in the flashing smaller than the pipe and is stretched down over the pipe to assure a tight fit. The paper is torn off and the flashing is rolled to remove all air bubbles. The final step seals each plate to the rubber membrane. By applying pressure with a broom to each plate, it causes the pressure-sensitive tape to migrate with the EPDM rubber membrane. The bond is so strong that in field tests, a steel bolt separated from a steel deck before the Diamond 105 system plate would separate from the rubber roof. The finished product is a smooth surface that is watertight, lightweight, low maintenance, and impervious to wind and temperature. Diamond 105 system is cost-effective with its labor-saving ease of installation, its durability, and minimal maintenance costs. Ordinary hand tools can be used, and little equipment is needed to complete a job. The workers and work area remain clean, leaving the area free from contaminants. Each man on the work crew can do a number of different jobs, as specialization is unnecessary. Diamond 105 system is right for any commercial use. Schools, factories, churches, post offices, shopping centers, recreational facilities, and many more. The Diamond design is adaptable to a variety of roofing configurations and remains cost-effective. International Diamond System is very confident in the Diamond 105 system. International issues a warranty. Workmanship is warranted for 10 years and materials are warranted for 15 years. Diamond 105 systems are installed by approved and licensed applicators throughout the U.S. Upon completion of every job, International will send a representative to inspect and ensure the highest quality roofing installation. International's Diamond 105 system is the only system in the industry today that delivers high quality, durability, low overhead, and on-time completion schedules every time. the first and only truly non-penetrating system FM I-90 approved for EPDM rubber roofing. International's Diamond 105 system.
Insulation board is required under all of International Diamond systems, including the Diamond 105. Insulation fasteners must be installed on all four corners of the insulation board, 12 inches from each corner. Boards may be placed end-to-end or staggered. Both the 105 systems and the Seal-A-Plate systems require special placement of plates to ensure the I-60 or I-90 ratings. The Diamond 105 system only requires one row of perimeter plates, laid out by placing a row of 105 plates 1 foot on center and 1 foot away from each other. After the perimeter row is laid out, the diamond pattern continues with 14 to 15 plates on each square to complete an I-60 rating. Based on a rectangular 20,000 square foot building and 20 plates on each square for an I-90 rating. Roll out the EPDM membrane and allow it to relax for 30 minutes before installation. Fold the membrane back onto itself. If you are using the Diamond 105 system, you must apply a light coat of activator with a sponge mop in line with the installed 105 plates. Float the rubber over exposed 105 plates. Then broom the plates with a stiff bristle broom or mechanical rolling device. To start preparing for flashing, remember that rubber must be clean for the adhesive to work well, so you must wash all seam and flashing areas with splice cleaner. Always use a clean rag dampened with the International approved cleaner. When the rag gets dirty, change it immediately. Whenever you use adhesives with EPDM rubber, apply them as thin as possible, using a side-to-side action with your brush to work the glue into each pore. You can tell when your adhesive is dry by touching it. It should be tacky, but no glue should come off on your fingers.